Hey friends, welcome to our channel Manahil Zoya Fun Club. Friends, in this video we will learn verbs. Do you know what are verbs? Let me tell you. Verbs are some actions done by someone. Are you ready? But before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. Runs. He runs in the park every morning. Ate. She ate pizza for dinner last night. Swim. I swim in the pool every Saturday. Chop. I chop vegetables for the soup. Read. I read a book every evening. Cook. I cook dinner every night. Watching. They are watching a football game together. Jumping. They are jumping on the trampoline right now. Running. They are running to catch the bus. Slept. I slept for 12 hours last night. Crawling. He was crawling towards his mother when he fell. Drinking. She is drinking a smoothie. Cleaned. She cleaned her room before the guests arrived. Eating. She is eating a delicious bar of chocolate while reading her favorite book. Singing. They are singing their favorite song. Dancing. The kids are dancing excitedly at the birthday party. Spent. She spent the afternoon baking cookies for the school. Help. He was happy to help his friend. Washing. She is washing her clothes in the machine. Painting. He is painting a landscape for his art assignment. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed and learned a lot in this video. So please subscribe our channel. Bye.